to dig it. Jordan. Oh, a spectacular move by Michael.
Hello old school NBA fans, welcome back to NBA Basement, the channel with classic NBA basketball. In today's video we will again take you back to the golden age of NBA basketball. So just sit back, relax and enjoy the time travel.
Time for Bill Russell, the man who redefined the philosophy of the block shot. The 70s saw a young Sixer named Julius Erving burst on the scene to make the slam dunk an institution. At the same time, the sharpshooting, relentless, best-ever sixth man, John Havlicek, led the Celtics to 10 NBA titles. Now in the 80s, a kid from Auburn has powered his way into the league to become one of the most feared power forwards in the game. Boston's man of the decade has been Larry Bird, the three-time MVP. He's truly a legend in his own time. With a legend about to be born, another bids his farewell to Boston. Up top against Bird. Erving, the game's first shot. The crowd does. Coulter. Erving against Ainge, goes base. Good pass. McCormick waits, lays it up, score it, and a foul. The pass sting.
Goes short.
Bird with a rebound. Yes. His first points. Bird in three-point country. Good pass to Parish. Gets Seasting the open jumper, and he sticks. Coulter gambled on the steal, didn't get it. Ainge beats the buzzer, hits the foul line jumper. His jumper is on vacation. He's going to get another whirl. And the finger roll is good. His second hoop made this slam dunk an exciting part of this game. Roberts broke away. They got him the ball. Erving, another jumper. This time he sinks it. He's going to get that shot. Erving has a pass deflected away. Ainge from Seasting, blocked Barkley. Ball Boston, no foul.
Look at it.
Boy, that surprises me.
I thought they were going to call. Now, let's see if we can see the whole play. Now, here's a steal. There's a lob pass there. He runs to it like he's supposed to. That was a good
goes. And it's Boston by a point. It's Philadelphia by a point. Erving has 8. Bird loses Barkley and shoots the jumper. Yes. Stops, does not pop.
Good interception by Bird.
Bird to Roberts. Laid it up in.
I think
Erving. Oh, what a move he made to split him. Ainge winds up 3, but it won't go. Hinson the rebound. Ahead, Ainge intercepts intended for Erving. Great pass. Oh, what a pass by Ainge. Ainge had a piece of it, but Erving got it back and banked it in. He has 12. 9 seconds left in the quarter. Parish beats the field. And a foul. Seasting for 2, and he got it. Barkley. Charles.
Emphatic. He's got to make those shots.
Bird for 3. Boy, that is his specialty. Looks your way, and then Bird against Barkley. Well, there's 2 pretty good players, eh? 7 on the shot clock. Yes.
Now when that.
All right, Wingate is on the right sideline, cross court to Dr. J, foul line left, and he hit. 48 rapidly paced game. It's a rapidly paced half-court game now on the give and go. Seasting goes underneath. And late.
Shoot in mind when they.
Hey guys. Now while you are watching this classic NBA content, please be so kind and subscribe to our channel and click the notification button. It only takes a second for you, but for us this means the world. Thank you very much. And now let's continue with the best of NBA basketball.
Traffic, they expect to get hit and know how to adjust for it.
Bird with the left hand again. That's something he's developed since he became a pro. That. Oh, you are that.
Any of that other stuff you were talking about.
Well, I have no idea what I was talking. Bird double team. Ainge all by himself 4-3. Yep. He's got Andrew Toney. Boots it. Ainge from Parish.
Excellent play by...
That's not a certainty, and he wants to leave him something to think about here. Coulter. Yes, Parish with a pick. 6 on the shot clock. Parish, yes. He's had a quiet time. Celtics by 9 over Philadelphia. Erving over Ainge, yes. Conklin will do a good job, so will Charlie Neal. Boy, Boston can't get out of their own way. Erving with 18. Larry Bird up top. Seasting, 4-3. 5 left, third quarter. Parish, they need something out of him, and they get it. Erving, good pass. Nice shot by Roy Hinson.
Excellent shot.
Bird, boy, great Philadelphia defense, pays off in yet another steal. Erving leads the break, finds Coulter again. Boy, he's a busy little bee. He's got 72-70. Bird, good pass, aims the hoop.
His hands.
Bird, head of the circle, against Barkley. There's
good
the
shot.
contact, there's the hoop. 1:20 remaining. Day, nobody plays him. Bird got him the ball, as you might expect. Can't unload, does now to Ainge. 9 on the shot clock. Ainge for 3. What a day. What a day he's having. That's 30. Not an overly surprising score. Henry for 3. Yep. Here's to subscribe. Simply send $11.95 and you see the address. And you see a basket.
And a three-pointer. And came up empty.
Parish gives it up. Day at the foul line. That's duck soup. Both teams shooting. 10 remaining. Boston on offense. Philadelphia sets up defensively. Parish. Somehow Erving wound up on him. Oh, he's in a mess. Alone at the other end is Bird. They find him in the easy layup. Sometimes
Great
when you
look by
gamble,
Robert Parish.
sometimes 10-96. Roberts. Parish. Parish blocked away by Coulter. Erving's got free access. He has 28. Stockton is posting. Nobody plays Larry Bird, oddly enough. He gives it to Roberts. At times they make it look so ridiculously to this point. Erving heads for the Philadelphia bench, and they're on their feet again here. Meanwhile, Bird, undeterred, sinks the free throw. Parish departs. Bird with 17.
So that was it for today's video. We hope you had fun watching this classic NBA content of the golden age of NBA basketball. Make sure you check out our channel for more videos like this one. Hope to see you next time on NBA Basement.